In the last lecture, we created a simple formula here to get the quarter one total and the company total and the average of the quarters here. We want to do the same for the other quarters and the other companies. We can use our previous formula and see it. We can double click on it and also the related sales. We don't need to write here another formula. We can drag it here and across all the quarters. So we can drag here to quarter 3. So Excel automatically change the cell reference to copy the formula. If you double click one of the formula, we can see the change here. The cell reference is changed. In the same manner, we can drag this formula to down to get the company total and also for the average to down. So all the formulas are copied. So it is very easy, super easy for Excel.